What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. I am Jordan. Over there is Ethan, and as you guys know, we've been working on this Focus ST for quite some time. One of the things that we need to get done on here is the clutch needs to be bled, correct? See the excitement from this man?
Reverse bled.
Reverse bled. So explain to us what that means.
Basically, instead of putting it in through here, we need to pump it backwards. So it needs to go in through here to fill this reservoir up with my, what is it, .4?
So what we have here, this is what I used on the Mustang. So this is just pressurized. You put it in the little cup and whatnot. You squeeze this and it blows it in through one of these things and pushes out all the air. So whatever the difference is between the two, with that one, air gets sucked out. This one, it gets pushed in and things get sucked out, and I don't know how it works. That's why I'm not ASE certified like the kid is. So if you guys remember when we were installing this, there is a little valve down there that had to come off. There it is right there. So that is where we're pushing the fluid in through to reverse pressurize it, I guess. I don't know the exact terms. I'm just going off of what Ethan tells me, and if he's wrong, blow it up in the comments, let him know. So what is it that you're doing now?
I took out the little thing that he just showed you guys because I wanted to see how it worked. It doesn't actually have to come out because it's got a little hole like on the outside or on the inside where I can pump the fluid through the end of it. Even though it's hard plastic, I pump the fluid through there and it'll go in without me having to take it out. That's what I wanted to see.
So for this original tool that I have right here that I use on the Mustang, I grabbed that from AutoZone. The tool that you have now, where did you get this kit from?
Amazon.
Okay.
AutoZone and O'Reilly's don't carry a reverse bleeder kit apparently. They only have the regular bleeder kits, which suck in the air, and this one blows the air out. So
okay. And how much was that kit?
I think this one was probably like 60 bucks.
Jesus Christ.
Yeah.
All right, and then what all came with it? You got your different tubes here.
Yeah, got some lines. This is also made for brakes. So even though it's brake fluid, I'm trying to figure out if it has a line. I'll probably end up using this one because it's opened up to get it over that little piece in there. This kit is made for your brakes though, but it'll work.
Okay.
So this is where it sucks in the air from. And then you can hook it up to this, which I'm gonna fill up with my brake fluid. And then whenever this piece is connected to that little stem that we showed you earlier, it will pump the brake fluid out of this little reservoir and into where it goes.
So we have the line down in here on top of the little valve that Ethan had pointed out to us.
It's working because you can hear the air coming up.
Fantabulous.
Yep, so now we're gonna fill this up with brake fluid, put that on there, and it should pump through, and we'll do that until it's up to the line. Oh, it's working. It's leaking a little bit.
All right, just keep pressure on it. Stop being a punk. I edited myself. So after a few pumps, full bottle, we are up to the fill line. So where's your bottle at that you put your fluids in?
Right there.
Right there?
Right there.
All right, how many ounces is that? Does it say? Or?
It does not say. It looks like a lot of them.
A lot of the ounces. Okay, so it was pretty much a full bottle of this to fill up that. Now there was still a little bit sitting in there, but we had to fill the lines, and now we have it. We just got to put the cap back on there. Then we need to pump the clutch and see if there's anything in there to get any of that additional air out, though.
Yeah, I mean it should be out all now because we were pushing it through, but might as well.
You pressed it?
Yeah.
Okay, nothing popped off. Does it seem like it's working?
Yeah. Feels like a clutch.
Dang.
Yep, feels like a clutch to me. It's
Alright.
just sitting on my power seats.
Try and start it now and see if
In my ST Recaros.
Oh dang, son.
And my ST that doesn't work.
Hey, it'll work one day maybe. What did you just say to me?
I never reconnected this plug right here.
So the mass airflow sensor, you never reconnected that?
Yeah, no, I didn't do that.
Dude, if this car starts now and runs fine.
Don't get my hopes up like that.
Okay, I will.
Honestly, I don't think that's what it was. I
Okay.
think it's still gonna be like the same thing. So.
Okay. Give it a second. What happens if you try to give it a little gas?
The opposite of what should happen.
I mean, something happened though.
Yeah.
Try it again. I don't know what
All
you
I did was that.
Hey, maybe you have more things that aren't connected. Okay, so we have the clutch bled.
Yep.
Brakes are good. Yeah, I think that covers it for today's video. Car is still not one to run. You may have saw there, I had him pushing the clutch to see if maybe that had anything to do with it, which it doesn't. You have a new theory though that you think that it could be something with the VVTs?
Yeah, my solenoids. I saw online that it could create a rough idle. I don't know if that's part of it, but I know that the ones that are on the car right now are from the new engine, and I knew that my old ones worked. So might as well swap those out, see if that's it.
All right, so you heard it. That's the next video. We're going to be popping that open, and by we, I mean him, and swap those out and see if that will correct the idle. We've already been messing around with some other stuff that we'll show you in that video. But until the next one, make sure to hit that like button, make sure to hit the subscribe button, and ring those bell notifications so you don't miss anything else coming from me, holding the camera, filming him. Until the next one, peace.